Hi, this is a recording for the CIT 336 Enhancement 2, and I would like to start with my SQL statements here. And as you can see, my champ is up and running, and I would like to test the first statement. I'm already logged on my phpMyAdmin, and I've just accessed the Acme database. So as you can see, in the table clients, there is no client. So let's execute this statement to insert a new client. Executing. Now we can go to the clients and see that now we have the Tony Stark client, the Iron Man. And the second one, we are going to update the level of the client ID 0, which is the Tony Stark in this case. Client ID is 0, the client level is 1, we are going to update to 3. So let's do it. Executing this update statement. Then we can go back and see that it is 3 right now. Okay, so the next one, it's an update. So here we are updating all the records that contains nylon. We are changing to climbing in order to be in the inventory to become climbing rope and not anymore nylon rope. So as you can see in the inventory, you can go scroll down and see that it is still nylon rope here, nylon rope here, and also here the inv style, it's nylon. So we are going to change this with this statement, with this update, by doing this in the inventory and replacing the nylon for climbing in the uppercase, in the lowercase, and in the style field. So let's execute. Successful again, and we can check the inventory and see that now it's climbing rope here, and also the inv style is climbing here too. Okay, so now we are going to delete a record, which is the Koenigsegg car, from inventory, and moving to the database. In the inventory, we can see here in the ID 7 we have the Koenigsegg car. So we are deleting with this statement. Okay, and now we can go back to our inventory and see that there is no ID 7 anymore. And the last one, it's an inner join with inventory and categories, where we have the primary key, which is the ID, the category ID in the inventory table, and the category ID in the categories table. And we are picking the category ID which have the ID number 3. So we are selecting all these records. So we can go here to categories to see that the 3, it's the MISC. And then running the SQL, we execute, and here is the result. Okay, all right, this was the SQL statement, And now I'm going to show you my connection, my PDO connection, and I've already built a calling for my function here, and I'm going to run with a successful first and executing. So I got the blank page, which means that it runs successfully, and then I'll close this and I will break the connection. And as I try to run again, it gets my error page, the one I've built myself. Okay, so this is what I would like to show. Now I'm going to remove my calling here. I can comment, or I can just delete. And I hope you guys have learned, and thank you.